Today we have the Memorial Day sale, May 19th to May 31st. So just this week, it'll end this weekend. From Ace Hardware. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this. Remember to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. So help out the channel by doing so. We do have a few, actually some good deals. Dewalt deals. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. So it says, like I said, Memorial Day sale, Ace Hardware. Got some grills here, free assembly and delivery. So I'm not gonna go over that. Free exclusive for Ace Rewards members. Tank exchange refill when you buy any Weber gas grill, or free. Wow, you could select any of these free. You got a free 20-pound bag of big green. What is this? Charcoal. When you buy any big green grill. Free 20-pound bag pellets when you buy any Traeger grill. Nice. So definitely check out these deals, guys, if you're looking for some grills. You got the Yeti boxes there. Alright. So power tools. We got the Eagle Power 56 volt select cut. So this is top of the line. Obviously two different blades under the hood of this thing. Includes 7.5 hour battery with the rapid charger, up to 60-minute runtime, 21-inch multi-blade cutting deck, rear bag, side discharge, capability, limit 1 at this price, self-propelled mower. Alright, so $5.99 for this one. They do give you $50 off with the rewards. It's very easy to sign up. I've signed up already. So you guys see here, two different blades. You got $3.99 for the Toro Recycler Smart Tow Personal Pace Self-Propelled Mower. Alright, you got the Toro Recycler High Wheel Self-Propelled Mower. So this is the bigger wheel with the bigger wheels in the back. You got the AR Blue Clean 16 PSI Pressure Washer 109. It's a good deal on this little pressure, 1.4 gallons per minute. 20 feet hose. So that's an upgrade there for the 20 feet hose. You got the Eagle 56 volt power load string trimmer. If you guys don't know what the power load is, this is the easiest thing to load. All you do is cut about 10 feet of string and stick it in the hole here, and then just press this button here. It does have a button here, and just press that and hold the string with your hands, and just let it feed itself. You got the Eagle Power 56 volt edge trimmer, $199. You got the Eagle 56 volt 530 CFM handheld blower, $159. You got the Craftsman 2800 PSI gas pressure washer, $299. You got the Ace Nose Power of the Stealth. So they got Stealth power equipment there, and they do have some battery operated equipment. Just to let you know, Stealth is moving that way too. You got the Suncast Smart Tube Hose Hideaway or Smart Track Hose Hideaway, $49 each. Nice. You got a wheelbarrow here. I wonder how much this wheelbarrows. Doesn't say. You got a storage here, 130 gallon recycled wicker deck box. Alright, power tools. We want some power tools. That's what we came for. Alright, we got a ladder here, $99. Werner 20 feet type 3 200-pound capacity aluminum extension ladder. We got a 32-gallon wheeled trash can, $18.99. Alright guys, here's the deals, guys. Definitely check it out. You got the Dewalt circ saw blade right angle bit extension or 52-piece drill drive set, $19.99, your choice. This is a great deal here, the extension set here. It's a really nice set. If you guys haven't used it, it's like a right angle. You got the Dewalt 20 volt max lithium power tools accessories. This one's $99 each, your choice. So you can select the drill driver or the impact driver. Alright. Oh, with this one too? Yeah, so I guess you can select, you can select the fan, the sander, or the reciprocating saw. I think this one's the kit. because it's showing it with the battery. This is bare tool. This is bare tool. And these are the kits. So definitely check it out. $99. And that's it, guys. Just a few. Or actually, no. We got some more deals here at the bottom. Got hand tools, accessories, Stanley, Fat Max, 30 feet tape measure. You got the Milwaukee 10-piece screwdriver set, Milwaukee 2-piece curved jaw, plier set, Stanley folding sawhorse 2-pack. $19.99 each. So definitely check it out. We got some good deals here on this too. So yeah, guys, short video for today from Ace Hardware. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube grows the platform by subscribing and likes. And we'll see you guys on the next one.